Hello, I'm Ann with Hot Mom Bod. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your MyFitnessPal account for using with the Hot Mom Bod program. For our purposes, the information you enter when setting up your account is not super important. You're going to be asked for your goal, your activity level, your current weight, your goal weight, and how much you'd like to lose per week. Fill out this information however you'd like because we are going to be manually adjusting your calories based on your results from the total daily energy expenditure calculations on the Hot Mom Bod website. After you've created your account, skip the tutorial and the special offer and navigate to your home screen. Tap More in the bottom right-hand corner. Tap Goals and then Calorie and Macronutrient Goals. Here you can change your calorie goal. Remember, your calorie goal should be 400 to 500 calories less than your calculated total daily energy expenditure. Now go back to the home screen and hit Diary. You should see your new calorie goal at the top of the screen. You'll notice that there's also an option for inputting your exercise. Ignore this. For our purposes, we will not be earning calories with exercise. Instead, our total daily energy expenditure calculation included the average of our daily activity level already. If you have a Fitbit or some other tracking device, be sure that you disconnect it from your MyFitnessPal account. Correlating working out with earning food can create an unhealthy relationship with food and exercise.